Okay, now we see questions number 4. We have y prime equal to y minus 1. So we write in standard form y prime minus y equal to minus 1. Okay, then we identify the px. The px is equal to minus 1 and the qx also is minus 1. Okay, we find the integrating factor I of x exponential minus 1 dx, so this is exponential minus x. Okay, then the general solutions, we can use the formula 1 over integrating factors, and then we integrate over qx minus 1 multiplied by integrating factors, then is dx plus c, right? So here we have 1 over exponential minus x. So these integrations minus 1 e minus x, so we have minus give us the positive value exponential minus x plus c. Okay, now we can further simplify this. So here we have 1, then we have plus c exponential x. So this is our general solutions.